Yo, what's up, everyone? Yeah, welcome back. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna do a weekly breakdown with you, guys. Yeah. So if you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe, guys, and make sure that you like the video as it helps with the algorithm, guys. Yeah. So on the screen, we're having GBP USD. So with GBP USD, guys, we can all see that we are in an uptrend. The reason why we're in an uptrend, guys, we see a series of high highs and high lows, or a series of an impulse and a correction. So this is the correction that we are currently at. So this was the impulsive phase, the continuation phase, impulsive phase. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is just to focus on the current on the current correctional phase, guys. Yeah. So in the current correctional phase, guys, what we can spot, the market came to mitigate this order block, of which it is in this area, guys, and then it did build some form of a liquidity above this order block. So actually what happens, guys, the market did respected this order block, of which is here, but then we're not involved in the trade as of yet, guys. Yeah. So we're looking into trying to get scaling actually, so that we capitalize on it, guys. Yeah. So one thing that I did so on the market that it did right here, guys, it gave us some form of a thread touch pattern, guys. That thread touch pattern, we call it a falcon pattern or a falcon structure. This is the first touch, second touch, and this is the third touch. We know that the third touch, guys, has high probability of playing out. So we're anticipating the market to come and reach this 90% rule. So that's why we need to scale in actually now, guys. Yeah. So the type of entry that we're gonna get in this area, guys, I think it's gonna be the SMC entry. Why is it gonna be the SMC entry, guys? We did change some form of a character. We change character, so for that we change character, guys, in this area here. So now what we anticipate, guys, is for the market to mitigate this order block. But one thing I can already see, that the market is coming to mitigate this order block in a corrective manner. Look at this type of pattern that the market is creating now. I so wish the market can keep on doing something like this up until it mitigates my order block. So I'm just gonna take those trend lines of mine and then just try to spot those falcon patterns. When I do take a trade, I know that I do take a confirmed entry, guys, actually. So a confirmed entry, guys, is gonna be a combination of falcon and SMC, guys, and other confluences that I normally use. But then with this one, guys, we are having a fresh order block, the unmitigated order block, of which it is in this area, where it's some form of a huge imbalance that really did happen uh, on the candlestick right here, guys. I have a huge imbalance. So the market really came and fill up this area that the market left, of which you call it an imbalance, guys. The market did come and fill that area, but then it didn't mitigate the order block yet. As we can all see right here, guys, that we still have some space that the market needs to come and it needs to come and fill actually, and then by doing so, guys, it would be mitigating the order block. So should the market come in the way we're anticipating it, guys, so we're gonna take this one to the upside. So my entry, guys, is gonna be in this area. Let me see the risk to reward ratio, you guys. My entry is gonna be here and my target is gonna be there. So what normally happens, guys, or what we normally focus on, guys, is to trade defensively. So my stop loss is gonna be below the order block, of which it is in this area. So it's a trade of a ratio of 1:10, guys. We can make a lot of money out of GBP USD, guys. So with this one, guys, I know that it's still possible that we might mitigate this order block like this. Then as soon as the market does take out this channel, let me just extend my trend line up until this area. So as soon as the market come and take out this channel, guys, we're gonna be targeting the first continuation pattern after the market took out that channel, guys. Yeah. So the first correctional pattern, guys, has high probability of playing out. So if we cannot manage to take this entry, guys, here, we should always be anticipating some form of an entry after the market does take out that trend line, guys. Yeah. So with GBPUSD, guys, I think I'm okay with this one, and then I hope each and everyone will understand what I mean by GBPUSD. And by the way, I hope you will also try to make money out of this free market analysis. Actually, yeah. So the second part is gonna be a UDJPY. So let's see what AUDJPY is saving for us. So with AUDJPY, guys, let me just try to zoom out and see the whole of the market. As we can all see, guys, that we're in an uptrend. So it's not a I mean, we don't have a lot of questions why I'm saying we're not in why I'm saying we're in an uptrend, guys. So guys, we're in an uptrend. So we all can see that the market has been moving impulsively to the upside. Right now we're in a correctional phase, so it's okay for me to say we're in an uptrend. Yeah. So one thing I draw normally spot in situations like this, guys, it's actually confusing sometimes, but then we can all see that SMC is ready to play out and Falcon is ready to play out. So let's start with SMC, guys. So with SMC, guys, we had some form of a change of character in this area. So the market has been taking out those previous lows, meaning the market changed a direction, guys, according to the way we're looking at it with SMC. So what I'm having right now, guys, is some form of a liquidity around this area, of which this liquidity, guys, just confirms, or it's just gonna be one of my confluences why this order block is gonna play out. So should the market come and mitigate this order block, let's say we do have some form of a nice falcon pattern here or some nice structure inside the channel, guys, I'm gonna take this one to the downwards. If the market would continue pushing in this way to the upside correctively like this, I'm gonna take a sell position in this area. So my entry is gonna be here, stop loss very tight, and my target is gonna be here. So with this one, guys, according to SMC, guys, this trade, guys, stand a lot of chance of playing out. Why am I saying so? We have some break of structure, we have an imbalance, we have a liquidity build below this order block, and then we're having a nice falcon structure. And the last thing, we're having a correctional move going to mitigate our order block there. So there are a lot of confluences that this area, I mean, this trade, guys, might play out, guys. Yeah. So with this one, if the market gives me what I'm anticipating, then I'm taking this one with a sell. And this order block, by the way, at the top is still valid, guys. Still possible that this area, this order block might turn into a liquidity, guys. It's still possible that, yeah. So we should always have a lot of scenarios, guys, about, I mean, around our order block, guys. Since we're having two of them, we don't know which one is going to play out. But with what we're having right now, guys, or some of the confluences that I just told you, guys, this order block seems to be the one that's gonna work out. So the other thing, guys, when it comes to Falcon and SMC, guys, I really hate this part, but then it's okay. This thing is called trading, guys. So with SMC, guys, and Falcon, guys, so since we saw that we are in an uptrend, guys, it's still possible that the market might actually do something like this. Yeah, it's actually this way, and I'm gonna put this one below here. So it's still possible that the market, it might continue pushing to the upside. We might get the next impulsive move, guys. Remember, we're in a correctional phase actually, of which our previous impulse, it was this one. It's still possible that the market might shoot to the upside and then continue moving to the upside because of we're in an uptrend, guys. And then we know that according to Falcon, after every correctional phase, the next one is going to be an impulsive phase. So it's still possible. Anything is still possible with this trade, guys. Yeah. So you must always have a lot of scenarios or two scenarios around your analysis, guys. Yeah. So for me, I'm not gonna take this one, guys. If it happens that I do get those confluences I spoke about on this order block, guys, I'm definitely taking this one to the downwards. But then I'm gonna update you with this one, guys. Stay connected because I'm gonna be updating you on my Instagram page, guys. Yeah. So the last pair according to the Forex ones, guys, is gonna be USD CAD. So with USD CAD, guys, this is what is really happening. So it's okay with this one. Similar thing. We're in a downtrend, guys. We all can see that we're in a downtrend. But then look what's happening here. You do have some form of a, I mean, the market did change a character. I mean, the market changed character in this area. This was our last low that the market took out here. So now the market took out this last high in this area, of which this area we call it a change of character, guys. Yeah. So what I can anticipate on this one, guys, every after impulse there's correction. So we're anticipating the next correctional phase to happen in this case, of which is not something that I normally consider when I'm gonna, I mean, when I do take those sell positions when it comes to mitigate the order block. I don't normally take trades that the market come in an impulsive manner, guys. Or maybe I look at some other some other confluences, but I prefer those order blocks that the market, when it's coming to mitigate them, the market is really coming correctively, guys. Yeah, so it's still possible that we might get the next impulse in this area to come and mitigate this order block. So meaning it's going to be two trades. It's going to be a buy to sell position. Should the market give us some nice entry in this area, guys, it's a buy. Should the market give us a nice entry in this area, it's a sell. So it's definitely going to be a buy to sell position with USDK, guys. Yeah, but then other than that, guys, still possible that it might even continue pushing to the upside and then really change character like that, guys. Yeah, so it's still okay if such two happens, guys. This is the market, guys. Yeah, there are a lot of uncertainty in the market, guys. Yeah, so I think I did forex pairs with you. Now let me show you NAS 100. NAS 100, guys, I'm still holding NAS 100 from last week. Actually, I did show you the video. I did show you that this was actually my trade of the week, guys. Yeah, so I'm still holding this position, guys, from last week. Caught this nice entry in this area, guys. I'm not gonna discuss much about this one, guys. I did this one with you, guys. You can go and see my previous video, guys. Before this one, guys, you will see this video, guys. Yeah, I did spoke about this one, guys, so I'm still holding this one, guys. I did log my profit. I think it's around this area, guys. Should the market come and take me out, guys, it's fine. I'm gonna be targeting an entry in this order block and then continue pushing to the upside. But then now the market is closer to my take profit, guys. Yeah, so even if it takes me out here, guys, I'm not gonna worry. It's still okay. I already made a lot of money out of this position. So the next pair is gonna be the cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency, Ethereum USD, definitely holding this one, guys. Still holding Ethereum USD. So with this one, guys, if you do follow my work, guys, you all know what really happened with this one. Let me just open 4 hour time frame and show you what's happening with this one. I think I've been in this one for 2 weeks now. Yeah, I think it's gonna be 2 weeks now. This is gonna be the third week right now. So guys, with this one, guys, simple. We're in a it's simple like that. So guys, we're an impulsive move. Now we're in a correctional move. Then now, I mean, after we expect the impulse. So simple. So what really happened here, guys? We had some form of a pattern within a pattern, of which it was in this area. I showed you a lot of confluences that I did got in this area, guys. The first correctional pattern after the market broke out of the channel, as high probability, I took this entry here. So another thing, there was some form of a head and shoulder pattern. This was the first shoulder, and this one was our right shoulder, guys. It's actually the inverse of head and shoulder pattern, guys. Yeah, so we did caught this entry in this area, and last week, guys, I did caught this entry of SMC, but then my entry was a little bit late, guys. I think I entered around this area, but then my stop loss still below. I think it's below this order block. Yeah. I did enter around this area, guys, but then I was fine since the market already made me a lot of money in this area, guys. And by the way, guys, I'm still holding this one, guys, from this area. I have an entry here. I do have an entry, and I think I did got an entry after the market broke out of this area here. I think it was last night, actually. Here, yeah, guys, yeah. I did caught 3 entries, guys, yeah. So Ethereum USD, guys, it's still gonna be pushing to the upside, guys. Remember, what we should always do, guys, is to highlight those order blocks that the market does leave when it keeps on continuing in our desired direction. So this order block here, guys, is the one that caused a break of structure in this area. So the market came to mitigate this order block. So right now, we're still waiting for the market to push to the upside, but then the market chances of it pushing to the upside like this, they are very slim, guys, as we all know the nature of the market, guys, that it moves in a form of impulse, correction, impulse, up until it reaches our 90% rule, guys. Yeah, so I'm still holding this one, guys. Yeah, so if maybe you didn't catch an entry with me, guys, wait for those things that I just said about some form of a continuation pattern in this area, and then draw try to scale in, guys. Yeah, so this is my watch list for the week, guys. These are the only pairs that I will be focusing on, guys. Yeah. So any screenshot that you're gonna be seeing, or the results that you're gonna be seeing from me, guys, they will be from these pairs that I just analyzed in this area with you, guys. Yeah. I hope each and everyone, guys, will get value out of this video, guys. Yeah. So for those who are looking for mentorship, guys, I'm available, guys. They can contact me, guys, on WhatsApp or on Telegram, um and on my Instagram channel, guys. Yeah. So those are the three platforms where you can find me, guys. Other than that, it's a scam, guys. Yeah. And for those who are new in my channel, please help us to grow this channel, guys. As we are dedicated to make uh, two to three videos per week, guys, for you, so that you can make sure that you do try to learn by all means, guys. Yeah. So, guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.